times 10 to the power 13 hertz. And I refused both. The answer is 5.0 terahertz, which will translate into what you are writing, 5.0 times 10 to the power 12 hertz, which is not the answer that I was given. So I just gave the answer that I was expecting. That was what you were challenging, that I did not provide the answer, and I have given the answer. Thank you. So at the end of the first round, Nifa Senior High School and Ofori Panin Senior High School each had 9 points. St. Peter's Senior High School had 20 points. Round 2. In this round, we have the questions are coming to all schools at the same time. You may take turns in answering. If you are the first to answer correctly, 3 points. Second, 2 points. Third, 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. When you are ready with your answer, ring the bell. As soon as you are ready with your answer, ring the bell. If someone is already talking, I'll give you the opportunity when they are wrong. If you don't ring the bell and the bell goes, the time runs out, then that would be it for you. And as soon as you ring the bell and I give you the opportunity, please just give me the answer. Don't be buying time for yourself. And our answer is, and when we worked it out, we got that. No. Just give me the answer. You have 3 seconds within which to give me an answer. I wish you all the best. Find the magnitude of the momentum of a 663 nanometer photon. Yes, St. Peter's.
1.00 by 10 exponent negative 27 kilogram meter per second.
Okay, that's correct. Find the optical power of a concave spherical mirror whose radius of curvature is 400 milli. Yes, Nifa?
Yeah. 5 point.
Nifa, quickly.
0 by 10 exponent.
Which school mentioned press?
4.
St. Peter's. Give me your answer, St. Peter's.
We have 5 diopters.
That is correct. The fact that you have rang the bell doesn't mean you should be working out and giving me the answer as you work out. You should have your answer ready before you ring the bell. The half-life of a radionuclide is 20.2 milliseconds. Find the activity of 5.00 times 10 to the power 15 atoms of the radionuclide. 1.72 times 10 to the power 17 per second. After 90.0 minutes, 0.60 grams of a radionuclide remains. What is the half-life of this radionuclide if 9.6 grams was initially present? Yes, St. Peter's.
18.0 minutes.
That is incorrect. Nifa?
18.0 minutes.
That is incorrect. That's 22.5 minutes. A hypothetical element Y has two naturally occurring isotopes labeled Y1 and Y2. Given that Y1 has a mass of 72.0 and an abundance of 80%, and Y2 has a mass of 77.0 and an abundance of 20%, what is the atomic mass of Y? St. Peter's.
73.0.
That is correct. What is the sum of the oxidation states of chlorine in the reaction ClO3 minus? Yes, St. Peter's.
Plus 5.
That is incorrect. Plus I minus going into I2 plus ClO minus. Yes, Nifa.
Plus 6.
That is correct. A point A is reflected in the x-axis, and the image point is B, -3, 5. Find the coordinates of the point. Yes, St. Peter's.
So the point is -3, comma, -5,
-3,
comma, -5.
that is correct. Find the length of a side of a triangle if the altitude to that side is twice the length of that side and the area is 25 centimeters squared. Yes, Nifa.
5 centimeters.
That is correct. Two fair dice are thrown. Find the probability that both scores are prime numbers, given that the total score is 8. Yes, St. Peter's.
2 on 5.
That is correct. Describe the epidermis of a well-protected skin of a mammal. It is relatively thinner than the unprotected skin. Identify and describe PQ in the light reactions of photosynthesis. It is plastoquinone, and it is a thylakoid membrane-bound electron carrier. What type of organism is the Ascaris species? Yes, St. Peter's.
Roundworms.
No. 'N Was it before the bell? On the bell, so I should give them. Which school was that? Ofori? Yes, Ofori Panin.
Nematodes.
Nematode is correct. That's the end of the speed race. I understand St. Peter's is still not convinced of the first round, the physics. Please, the answer to the second question, your question, is 5.0 terahertz. It can never be 8.3 terahertz, please. It can never be 8.3 terahertz. It is 5.0 terahertz. Thank you. Before we progress, two schools would like to make changes. So St. Peter's Senior High School is bringing out Ado Kingsley Owusu for Osei ACB Regional. And Jerry Opoku Nantechi is going out for Ofori Panin for Prince Trum to come in. So thank you for being with us, Osei ACB Regional and Jerry Opoku Nantechi. You are welcome, Kingsley and Prince. At the end of the second round, Ofori Panin Senior High School had 11 points. Nifa Senior High School had 12 points. And St. Peter's Senior High School had 31 points. Contestants, this is the third round. And in this round, I'm going to give each school, please, may I have some silence? I'm going to give each school a statement. You tell me whether the statement is true or false. When you are right, you earn 2 points. When you are wrong, you lose a point. You may decide not to answer, then another school will answer correctly for the 2 points when they are right, or lose a point when they are wrong after your time has elapsed. We start with the third round. All the best to you all. I'm starting with Nifa Senior High School. The average kinetic energy of molecules in an ideal gas increases as pressure is increased at constant temperature. Go ahead.
False.
That is correct. St. Peter's. The average speed of molecules in an ideal gas increases as pressure is increased at constant temperature.
False.
That is correct. Ofori Panin, the internal energy of an ideal gas is proportional to the absolute temperature of the gas.
That's true.
That is correct. Nifa, endothermic reactions absorb energy from their surroundings. Go ahead.
True.
That is correct. St. Peter's, endothermic reactions are generally spontaneous. That is incorrect.